Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another nice and easy pattern for you. For this pattern you need to repeat 4 rows, and this is really easy to knit. What you have to do for the pattern, you need to have multiple of 4 stitches plus 2 plus 1. Let's get started. For the first row, what we have to do, we are going to take the first one as the edge, then knit 2 stitches. Now I have 3 stitches left. What we have to do, I'm going to knit the third one first. I insert my hook in the third one, grab the yarn, then I'm going to knit the first one, second one, and then take all 3 stitches like that. Then knit 1 stitch. Let's repeat again by knit the third one, then the first one and the second, like this. Then knit 1. As you can see here, for the last part you have left only 3 stitches besides the one for edge. Repeat by knit the third one, then the first one and the second, and that one will consider as the last and edge. This is the row 1. Now we are in row 2. In row 2 we are going to repeat like row 1, but the only difference is you have to do it pull all stitches. We are going to take the first one out, pull the first 2 stitches. When it comes to next 3, we are going to pull the third one first, then this one. What we have to do, we are going to take the needle and from in the front side like that, insert the hook in the third one and pull the third one. Before you take all 3 stitches, you have to pull these 2. By insert the hook here, pull the first one, then pull the second, then take it out like this. And then like row 1 you have to pull 1. Let's do it again. Now I am in the third. What I have to do, I'm going to knit this one. I take my needle front side, insert in the third one, and then grab the yarn like that. Then I'm going to knit the first one, and then knit the second one, then take it out, and now pull 1. As you can see here, like row 1 I have only 3 left. I repeat like that by insert the hook in the third one, grab the yarn like this and pull 1, 2 and 3, and this one consider as a edge. This is row 2 and the pattern looks like that. Row 3, what we have to do, we are going to just pull all stitches. Row 4, we are going to pull all the stitches. So it means that row 3 knit all the stitches, row 4 pull all the stitches, and then you are going to finish row 4. As I told you, this pattern needs to be, you can see here, if you repeat row 1 to row 4, you are going to have a pattern. If you repeat row 1 to row 4, after few rows, you are going to have the pattern like this. As you can see, this is nice and fast, only 4 row repeats, and they can be used for project you like. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.